display to the internet. Now that you come down to being somewhat that they can understand. They would love to understand such a character, but guess what? It seems so fake. That's why they might criticize it first before they accept it. Ghetto psychology. You never know. Why you think them chat Dana when them hear say Dana have baby? Cause everybody embracing being funny. If you know what I mean. Cause he has never spoken about that. However, when he come and portray the norm, now he realize how everybody did view him as a big batty man. So when I come with baby for please go, daddy and mommy are the world. Exactly. It's just not funny. Only person with a gift for you, Shabada, because me grew up again, they grew up and watch me. Hey, me kick that man in them face. You're gonna kick you in the face now. You're gonna give you an eagle kick. Better than this. The song is perfect for you. Me always talk about this. On a very pretentious, stand quiet friend. Me now, baby girl, it's when me a cuss on you. Me a cuss on you. I am not cursing you guys today. Me just tell you, say, you shouldn't address it. You know why you shouldn't address it? Because if me come out to the people them as a batty man and them call me a batty man, and when me and a batty man, me forgot accept with them I say, because it's what I showcase. It's what I showcase. I'm telling you this every day. Me telling you this every day. On the too fake. Morning to you too. Tony Douglas. Yeah, on the too fake. It no pay for fake. Danar is becoming you know Danar personally people. Danar give up on a lot of friends that has been there for him, that are true friends. Quiet Perry them and a Danar friend. Quiet Perry them and a Danar friend. They not ask you know, them and a Danar friend. Them and a Danar friend. Danar have some genuine friends, but Danar is not a friend to them. And for such, me not deal with him. So you see the level of pretentiousness going up the ladder, you want the utter crowd to spar with. Danar is not my crowd, number to begin with. Danar is not my crowd. You understand me? Me know him personally, so when people hear me talk about him, they would have said, where my text said pan the boy? I don't know that now, I just know a life of a king. Then I used to say my house, my yard, my house. I don't rush them. Then I used to say my house. I don't know that I always look a big circle to follow. Because it's like that. And when we discover that you're like that, I cannot be friends with you because you're pretentious, you're perfidious. I chose not to speak to him. He did not choose not to speak to me. But when I talk, una talk say, my bad mind, una talk say me this, no for una never know. I hid Danar behind the circle when him come at my yard, so una know say him. Thank you, Miss Douglas, so una know say him come in show people. But if una draw back from a long time happy corner, una hear Danar in the background, Danar used to spar with a lot of fabulous, nice people who genuinely mean him good and care about him well-being. You guys never part of that circle. So we do not accept people for who they showcase to be now. We must realize that they have a life before we know them. Una believe me. But Tantan, but quite per them no TC from nowhere. They don't know TC from anywhere. Don't. And now TC has to be behaving like them. You see the pretense. Everybody know TC a dance all a suck or that take all girl. You understand me? I'm not cuss her and crucify her. Everybody know TC. So out the road that sell crutches and a suck hood. Thank you, Winsome Roberts. Danar. So Winsome Roberts, I'll call him own name there. Danar. Everybody know TC. A suck hood out the road and a change her man. The man don't know if she'll take woman this week or man next week. Everyone knows that no disrespect to TC. No disrespect. The truth hurts, so it can sound like a bad man. Just so you know that. But yet still TC has power around them and TC start behaving like them. Not that is a bad thing for spar with them, you know. But when you try to be like them now, it becomes a bad thing. Because who are you? Obviously, they don't like what you bring to the table, so why befriend me? You see when me talk about people? So all we know TC pass, rebel pass, and pretty pass. All we know. But once you drop in a crowd, you start acting like them, which is not you. You understand me? But now you have a problem with what persons are saying about you. So why would you have a problem with the people that say, boy, no, I'm changing for the better. Is that the better? People like a TC for sucking multiple cocky. Just saying. Example. Exactly. She have to change her behavior to please them. That's why she have to live under a certain demographic in order to keep doing commercials. So is it that them really affluent? No, they're not affluent. So why change? You're supposed to change for the better. Why change for the worry? That's not true. Don't tell me that TC not change. That is not true. You are not telling me. And me, I tell you. How do you want? Don't tell me that TC not change. You change. Because you buy into whatever TC sell you coming from the camp. So don't tell me that TC not change. What you talk say? Don't tell me that. So I changed not for the better. I'm confused. Listen, what is better comparing to the crowd that you're appealing to or the lifestyle that you want? Now you know how much of them muggle and hype and boast from people who really did it for them. Because if they come back down to ground zero and the audience at ground zero talking about you being here, it simply means that they have you there based on what you portray to them, that you will never speak to them. How taps and Rosa drop out of your mouth. We always overlook the small voices when we need them crying in order to elevate us. What the purpose? So we always have a change for the better when we really know how we started out and what the people them like of us. So what better do we change for? Better for a particular crowd. Me no want commercial crowd. Me no like uptown crowd. Uptown crowd dictates to you too much. That's why ding dong when silent finger did in and batty hole, it's called nature. You don't know the man like, you know, the man, you know, the man mother. You understand me? Ding dong I go come and talk about say, tell the foot hype say, oh, me not talk to him, I block him. What is that? When a most batty contract you get. So what is Shabada saying? TC should not have changed? Bitch, don't misquote me. Latibo, hey girl, me this in a bitch. Don't misquote me, don't spot. Do not misquote me. Woman with a big stinking hole. Don't misquote me. No, unblock her. Elder Miles, unblock her. Come on, me and her reason. Please. Unmute her. Unmute it. Since it's a boy. Unmute it. Me I beg you. You big stinking body hole. What you say? Don't misquote me down spot and go suck your mother. Go yam out your mother hole. Don't misquote me. Is it the better TC change for? Answer the question. Is it the better chopad with clad TC change from? Me just ask you, is it the better to change for? Because I'm willing for challenge you today. If it's the better TC change for, why them a get Tanta quiet periphery in a bad time? Answer the question and get back to me. The crowd that TC dismissed is the crowd that, what's your name there, want know. In order for promoter to get big gifters. So when you ask about change for the better, what is the better? Why you think a crowd that button up, like Quiet Perry, is a good group? Just asking. What is better? You never know, say you're better than enough away. I have a peace that passeth all understanding. You never know you're better than enough away. You know, see yourself as nobody, that's why you can't see people over you. You get what me I say? So when we attack, say, what are you talking about? The fact of the matter, una misinterpret what me I try to say. What me I try to say, be your authentic self. For persons to like you or hate you, you have a crowd out there. Now care if you're worse than the norm, you have a crowd out there. That's all I'm saying. Number one, me not kill Quiet Perry group, but me I tell you say, oh they organize them all what they call it, declaration is wrong. That's all I'm saying. And I don't want it to seem as if me I talk down to them. No, she has a problem with persons talking about taps and roses. Which persons are going to talk when I showcase it? Me I drink Long Island iced tea every day. So when time them see me I drink water now, them most I wonder, Shabada, you broke. That's how we live as a people. That's how we think as a people. That's how we see each other. Why people always go and talk, say, this is what she has to say, and make the people them say to me, saying to themselves, say, I don't know why that boy ate me. Exactly, my baby. It's the first thing. So I always attack. Be genuine. Be honest. Quiet Perry, one of the biggest fake. He's not genuine. Than or worse. And these are stuff me I talk to about. Them not genuine, so when them go under fire, them go like people are texted pan them. Una look down pan small people, una look down pan people, and una nobody. Sadly to say, the ground is level at the foot of the cross. Yeah. And that's just the truth. If you expect great things from me, why me should I showcase dibby things? Now become my name Shibby. Remember you expect great things of me. But yet still now, vloggers run with. This is what Shibby has to say about Quiet Perry. This is what Shibby has to say about Tantan, Quiet Perry friend. This is what Shibby has to say about Danar. When it's the truth, you plan for hide it. Because you now look dealings and likes. That's why Spice not answer one question all now. Not one question. Spice answer phone all now. And you keep going on in circles. You no cuss on one another, talk back to no one another. Cuss on one another. That's how you live. And discount. Them act above them audience, Jody B. You not chat no shit this morning, bitch. It's true. Them act above them audience when it's the same people you need for promotion. Me type for talk to them. Una fake. So Tantan, the things that you may have caused, I am not, Tantan, I'm not going to tell you again, say me not curse you. Me not going to tell you again. It's just the truth. You see, because you are talking about it, you know, say it's affecting you, whether slightly, mildly, or aggressively. It affects you. You understand me? Because you don't want to be painted in that light when you have already painted yourself of such. You understand me? Number one, quite paranoid regard nobody we can give nothing unless are you a little boy. Number one, even nobody for friend with. Honestly to God, even nobody for friend with. But again, people choose what they want. You get what me I say? Even nobody for friend with. Trust me, me they tell the world that already say pretty that no good. Quiet Perry is not good. Quiet Perry is Remember long ago we used to Quiet Perry take one on man, you know. So let's the internet forget that. Remember we used to Quiet Perry take him friend, man. It's not Quiet Perry remind me of a friend of mine. A friend of mine. See where Quiet Perry dress the same dress. They are cocky, ignorant. People is, I'm not killing the person, I'm talking truth. Quiet Perry is not somebody, Quiet Perry for by himself or with Batman them. God no. Just saying. Yeah. Remember we used to the day with one other man. So nobody miss it. And him and the girl not talk for years. And they must talk about now, I don't know. Remember. No, for real. For real. I did fear man him take. Yeah, it's not lie. When you have, let me tell you, baby girl, when you don't have company like that, wanna dismiss them. I'm telling you the truth, me not kill nobody, but let him go find persons who him can dominate with him energy, who them share the similar energy. So make him go tackle people like that. It's true. When you understand, you know about discipline over disgrace. And a lot of persons are going to say, a bad talk the individual, but life I got to tell. Always, somebody screen record this, life I got to tell. When I say a bad talk the individual, life I got to tell. Always remember this. One thing with me not have to, thank you baby girl, me not have to come near you for know you. When you ever wonder why I am not a part of the influencers slash vloggers slash bloggers slash prankers slash I am not a part of, they are not genuine. They are not. Than are worse not genuine English pound. Than are worse, Danar is not genuine. Me can't tell you about Danar. You see, two cannot walk unless they agree. Two people can't walk unless they agree. Danar is not a genuine soul. I tell of you. And the only reason why I can say this because we have been friends for so sometimes. So I can say this. Danar is not an authentic specimen. Because when you have a motive to be in the hottest crowd, it simply means you don't appreciate who you start with. Hey, Jody B, I busted in there. Jody B said that's why Dana joke them so stiff. That's not funny for real. In real life, he's not funny. However, let me ever tell the truth to be genuine. If you not succeed in life, and when the world come back by because don't feel say you can't escape. It will haunt you. It is going to come back at you. So, Tanta, quite friend, may I beg you, not address not more like this. Keep saying your taps and roses, the internet is for everyone. You understand me? But now you learn a lesson. Use it. Use it. Because at the end of the day, like you see people uptown, cancer kill them. Cancer kill them. Because they know and laugh after certain people's joke. Cancer kill them. Arthritis, sugar, everything. They have some silly Indian disease too. So when you try to perpetrate uptown, you know what? Tan nobody pay me no mind now, you know. Because I go bust it. Nobody pay me no mind. Tan, me only go talk so because, not because of you. So no pay nothing when me I say no, man. You get what me I say? Me I come here answer that person. Remember bust it now. You know, say Danar. Me sorry say I Tan them a cause. Danar I go look on a girl like me one day over marketplace and tell me say this a uptown argument. This not involve me. Look on nasty Danar. Danar when I come from nowhere with me carry home. In a rental, my own vehicle, go jump in mama yard cause she lock him out and she not stop cuss him. Look on Danar, we're gonna tell me no say a uptown argument this, and Danar is a nobody. Danar is just average in this life, like the man will push the cat. Danar, when Danar get him license, people Danar never get no vehicle for borrow, and my vehicle Danar come from, and go use to do him license. Danar no remember them days there. Make my boss it. Remember boss it now. Danar never have no interest in a nothing. I pump Danar in buying a vehicle. Me pump Danar. Me sit down with Danar. I'm going to say you need a vehicle. This is not right. You need a vehicle. Me encourage Danar for buy himself a vehicle. After I get him license, me say you have to have a swag. You need something. This is not right. Me. Danar not successful now. Danar successful long time. You just annoy him. Not say nothing out of him out. Just listen. Me never ask in a back up. Me not Gladys night. Me no want no pips. Me not sing. Me no need no oohs and ahs. Me come with my own melody. Me not ask one, you know. A whole heap of lie Danar come to me and tell me, you know. A whole heap of people carry Danar driving and tell me same by it. That's how I know it's not genuine.
Right now, I guess it.
Wanna never know? Wanna never know all of that? People can be around you and don't know. And the night when Danar tell me, say, a uptown argument this, it not concern me. It's the same day I buy my glass of red wine. Well, I never know, so Danar used to have some friend who drive and them not dropping past half a tree. So I have you out of the question. I used to be Danar late night taxi. Uber. Me the first Uber Jamaica ever have. Ask Danar. Hey, Lucy, you'll enjoy Lucy. Yeah. People may tell that these are some of the main reasons why I don't speak to Danar. You know why? Danar got call for telling me to go up on Nikki Croman's live when she accused me skitty. How Danar see me versus how him see himself. Me never jump fence yet going on my sleep. Danar did. Danar did. Free Uber. Danar could have always bang on me for carry me home. Always me in my bed asleep. I always come out of my sleep. I drop home down and I care whatever party I come from, whatever night. Enough of una don't know them something because I don't speak about it. Enough of una don't know. So when una did them not talk, say, hear my talk and him don't know nobody him love in a people business. I una love in a people business. I una love in a people business. Me no respect certain things where certain people are do because them in a certain crowd. Don't than who I am. Than I have more discipline. You quite puritan, whatever. I have more discipline and decency and respect about myself than uno. Exactly, Jody B. No care what, and me alone I drive come back from Harborview. Me alone, after I watch Danar jump the fence, and his mother class him. So now you see them a take on to Danar, and just because of this. So when the whole one over there or out there want go caption this and say, she be bad man, me can't bad man who me and them are when I chose not to speak to him. He did not choose not to speak to me. I chose not to. So sometimes I don't talk about the good that I've done, but when I listen to when the people them who me do good for, come back, come class me. You have changed. And because of that, I can't work with you. You are perfidious. You are disloyal to everybody who loyal to you. And that's just the truth. I refuse to speak to you. Me don't want a friend from you. I don't care about you. Yeah. There's no possible way you're supposed to tell me, be careful when you send voice note, it will implicate you. And then now you come on the same breath, want to implicate me. It's not right. The respect when me have for a person, you shouldn't do that. Ask him over here, ask him. Ask him if I lie me I tell. I just for me still.